Hi guys, this is Ahmed from FKP Institute of AI. This is class 2 on Snowflake. In our last class, we have seen how to set up Snowflake account and how to install SnowSQL to run our commands through command prompt. In this session, we are going to see how to connect to Snowflake through Python. Okay, so most of the companies use Python based frameworks to execute their ETL jobs, to run their SnowSQL commands. Okay, so that's why understanding the connectivity to Snowflake through Python environment is important for us. To do that, we need to have Python on our machine. So Windows works without any issues with the versions Python's 3.6 and 3.7. So if we take latest, you may get into the issues. So better if you are on Windows, choose 3.6 and 3.7. On the guys like who are using like iOS, they can choose either 3.8 as well. So to install the Python, just go to the Google and do say Python download. Take the first URL, go to downloads and click on all releases because we are going to choose 3.6.7 as I am on Windows. Now search for 3.6.7, go here and say click on it, and then I'm choosing Windows 64-bit installer for AMD because my system has AMD processor, so that's why I'm choosing it. Okay, people who has like Intel processor like you people can take this to install the Python and to run Python commands on our system. So I'm choosing this one. Once Python gets downloaded, just go to your downloads folder and install. So whenever you are installing, click this particular option, add Python 3.6 path to path that environment variables. Okay, select here and say install. Okay, Python installation is done on my machine. Now Python is available. So to connect to the Snowflake, we should have Snowflake Python connector. So from where I should get it? So to get the Python connector, let's go to your web interface, Snowflake web interface, and go to the help and downloads. And last time we have seen how to install this SnowSQL on your machine. In the similar way, you go to the Python components. Okay, take this command pip install Snowflake connector Python, copy and go to your command prompt. Go to your command prompt and type here. So before running this particular command, let's check whether the Python is working on our machine or not, because we just installed Python. Yes, it's working. Okay, so we are good. So now take this pip install command to install the Snowflake Python connector. Since I already have this connector on my machine, so it is saying requirement already satisfied. Okay, if you don't have on your machine already, so you will see progress saying, so it is downloading and installing this particular component. Okay, once this component is installed, now let's execute few queries through Python program. To execute Snowflake queries from Python, Let's create a Python script with the similar syntax. So I'm showing a sample Python program here. So what we need to say is, so we need to say import snowflake.connector. Okay, so this is a package. It got installed when we ran the pip command. Okay, so now this has the class called connect. So inside the class we have to provide our username and password, our Snowflake account string. Okay, so and then we need to create a cursor, and then cs is the cursor name, dot execute is the function name. Inside that provide your snowflake commands, snowsql commands. Say I am switching to the role account admin so that I will not get any rights privileges issue, and cs.execute, and I am giving a select command on the table which we have created in the last class, select star from sales dimensions dot products. And so basically, like, this particular query produce 5 records, so we need to catch those 5 records, right? So that's why I use for command for I in cs, meaning cs is our cursor, and fetch all function to fetch all complete record set from this particular query. So we have one more function called fetch one, meaning like it will fetch only a single record. So but we need all the records to print here, so that's why I have used for loop and the function fetch all. Then whatever the records this program is fetching, I want to print them. So finally what I'm going to do is, so I want to close the cursor, then I want to close the connection. So that's the whole story about this particular small Python program, where we have the syntax to connect to the Python, and where we can specify our snowsql commands. To run this Python code, what we need to do, we need to copy the path of that particular Python file and go to command prompt and say Python and give the Python file path and then Python file name and .py. So it connects to Snowflake, then it executes the first statement, then it executes the second statement where we are saying select star from particular table. So that particular table has 5 records and those are printed here, and go and cross verify from the web interface. Okay, now the similar way you will see one more option, like at downloads. So snowsql we are aware of. In the Python components we see 2 things. One is like Python connector, Python Snowflake connector, and another one is Snowflake SQL Alchemy. So basically this is also a Python library. It's a open source Python library. It's a Python based library. It has a lot more functions to talk to relational databases. So it has a functionality to convert function calls into SQL statements. Okay, I just want you guys to familiarize with this particular Python library, that is Snowflake SQL Alchemy. So we are not getting into more details about it. In the next class we will see how to connect to Snowflake through our JDBC driver. Until then, stay tuned and take care. Thank you.